Welcome back, food adventurers. After exploring the futuristic world of molecular gastronomy, let's turn our attention to a movement that's shaping the future of food sustainable dining. As our awareness of environmental issues grows, so does the importance of sustainability in the food industry. Imagine a world where every meal you enjoy leaves a positive impact on the planet. This is the vision behind sustainable dining. One of the most influential practices in this realm is the farm-to-table movement. By sourcing ingredients directly from local farms, restaurants can ensure the freshest produce while reducing their carbon footprint. It's a win-win for the planet and your taste buds. Another groundbreaking initiative is zero-waste dining. Restaurants are getting creative in minimizing waste, repurposing food scraps, and even composting to enrich the soil for future crops. This approach not only conserves resources, but also inspires a new level of culinary innovation. Locally sourced ingredients are also making a big splash. By supporting local farmers and producers, restaurants can offer seasonal menus that showcase the best of what their region has to offer. It's a delicious way to support your community and the environment. Several trailblazing restaurants are leading the charge in sustainable dining. Places like Noma in Copenhagen and Blue Hill at Stone Barns in New York are setting new standards for eco-friendly practices in the culinary world. Their commitment to sustainability is not just a trend, but a fundamental philosophy that inspires others to follow suit. So, whether you're dining out or cooking at home, remember that your choices can make a difference. Embrace sustainable practices and be a part of the movement towards a greener future. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious discoveries.